Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, lathes, milling machines, saws, lasers, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today, look at this monster machine. It's just about as big as we get over here. It's a 20-foot by quarter-inch mild steel. This is a nice clean Accurshear year 2000 ball transfer table. We've got the supports and the square arm to go with it as well. You can see everything's in just excellent condition. We'll take a walk around it, kind of take a look and see all the spring-loaded hold downs here. Everything's really clean. Table's been really well taken care of. Definitely a nice machine. Here's your back gauge. It also has the stroke length adjustment. So if you're not going to be doing the full 20 foot, you just have 10-foot pieces. You can set this so that only the blade will go halfway down the shear. And also if you only had 2-foot pieces, you could do the same thing. So it just gives you a little more productivity depending on what size capacity you're going to be cutting. Simple back gauge, forward, in and out. Tell it to go to 10 inches. It's going to go to 10 inches. Basically pretty easy to set. Here's your blade clearance, depending on the thickness that you're going to be cutting. Here's a 10 gauge, 14 gauge, 18 gauge, 22 gauge. Goes all the way up to quarter-inch here. So if you need to come back down to 22 gauge, what that's going to do is change your blade from being an opener blade to closed. The closer it is going to be for the thinner materials so that it doesn't get folded over inside. We'll go ahead and start this guy up. Show you this. 10 inches. Now the back gauge is coming forward. You can see it right here. All the way to that 10-inch mark. We'll have it go around. You can take a look. I'm going to shoot it back to that 20 inches and you'll see exactly it go there. Right now it's just inching down on that 10-inch mark and it's right at 10 inches. We'll bring it back to 20 inches. You see it coming back. And it'll inch right into that exact mark. Now, what you're going to do to run the machine, let's see, once we get our back gauge stopped there, just inching down, 20 inches, okay. So now as soon as you push your material back, you'll hit that 20-inch mark every time. You'll know that you're going to have the same exact cut every time, and it'll make a nice clean cut. We'll cycle the machine for you. You see all the hold downs going down, blade comes down. Nice machine. Now if you're interested in this machine or any other, depending on what size you're looking for, if you're looking for something really large like this, or if you're looking for something smaller, of course this is 20 foot long, 10 foot, 12 foot's about our average. That's a more popular size. Let us know what you have for sale. We can help you out too. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check our website for current inventory and some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.